Hi guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada, here to talk about another special vehicle that we're working on today. Gonna go out and see our man Drew, who's diligently head and shoulders into it. Good morning, Drew.
Good morning.
And how are you?
Not too bad. Yourself?
I'm great.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. It is New Year, isn't it? What are we working on today?
We have a 2013 Mercedes GL 450 and customer's complaint. Back end getting pretty bouncy and skipping around after hitting a bump in that. Vehicle has 220,000 kilometers, automatic air ride all the way around. Now, even though the vehicle runs on an air cushion in the back, it still has a shock absorber. Because this one has the automatic ride leveling and all that, it's not just a standard shock absorber. It has...
Really?
Mercedes likes to step it up over top of everybody else.
You get what you pay for.
So,
ooh, look at that. That looks fancy.
and expensive.
Oh.
This little valve here on the corner is where the price comes in.
What does it do?
Well, it's more electronic controlled for stiffening and that. This vehicle has a separate ride height sensor on each corner, but this adjusts the valving, the dampening, and the shock. These do wear out over time, just like everyone else does, and all the other parts do.
And I know that there's another pile of parts over here. What are we doing over here?
Well, what we have over here, lower control arms. This is the attachment point for the rear shock, and the one on this vehicle, this is the bushing here, nice and hard and stiff on this. The ones on the vehicle, these lower bushings are beat right out, so they'll have some movement and chatter around when going over bumps. They say everything does wear out over time. These bushings, even though they feel tight, these are the ones, the attachment points to the vehicle chassis. Even though they are intact on the vehicle and all that, they do get weak and they do deflect over time. So with the vehicle having this so much mileage on it, it is good practice to replace these, especially when we're changing this, just so we're not going to be getting the deflection and movement out of these arms.
Very good.
And these as well are the upper camber arms, bushings on either end. They do get soft over time, they do deflect, and doesn't keep your alignment in check as you're driving, especially going over some pretty heavy bumps in that.
So once we're done all this, obviously we got to do a four-wheel alignment to make sure the vehicle's in check.
Four-wheel alignment, get everything pointed in the right direction again.
And this seems like really easy work.
No.
Really?
Come have a look at the interior.
Ooh, no.
Go on your end here.
Oh no.
This is the interior of the vehicle coming apart. The interior trim panels. This one is half out. And basically what we're aiming for is the upper attachment point for the strut, because they don't put the bolts up through the underneath to be able to locate them to that point. You have to get inside the vehicle. They even have marked where the insulation needs to be cut to reach the upper attachment points.
The Germans.
The Germans. They make it nice, they just don't make it nice to change.
Well, it's nice of them to mark it so that you know where to cut. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's perfect. All right, well, thank you very much, Drew.
Welcome.
So there you have it, folks. We can work on Mercedes GL 450s. You don't have to go to your dealer. You can come to Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada, and we can take care of it for you. Thanks for watching.